In this video we'll show you how to repair a damaged sump plug thread using the SEALEY drain plug repair kit. First, establish the thread size of the damaged plug. Choose a tap that's slightly larger than the existing thread. Mount the tap in a suitable tap wrench or spanner and lightly grease it. Introduce the tap into the damaged sump, ensuring that it enters in line with the hole. Rotate the tap until it begins to bite, and then advance it a half turn and back it off by a quarter turn. Periodically remove the tap and clean it to prevent a build-up of metal shavings being deposited in the sump. Proceed until the tap is running freely in the hole, and then remove it. Pour a small quantity of oil down the filler to flush out any remaining swarf. Fit the appropriate sump plug and washer and tighten. Refill the sump with oil and check that the plug and washer are oil tight.